Pur Mutahi Kagwe ochiwo dwe achiel ne Jo-ohala ma opando cham ka girito mondo mi nengo idhi ni oter chamgo e chirni. Makao kamano to sirkal biro yawo thuolo ne oduma ma wuok e pinje maoko kaka yor gayo nengo mwandu ne pacho kae. Okoni sani sirkal nyiewo oduma siling 4,000 kuom gunia achiel, kendo gichiwo thuolo no mokwongo ne nyiewo oduma kowuok kuom jopur ma pacho kaka yor ne sirkal obugo dere mag cham e thur kae.
Sisi katika serikali tumeona ya kwamba watu wakulima wakisaidiwa na fertilizer ndio sababu tuweze kuwa na chakula ya kutosha sisi wenyewe katika Kenya, hata kabla hatujaanza kuuza huko nje. Ile mahindi sisi tuko nayo kwa wakati huu haiwezi kututosha Kenya nzima, hatuwezi. Bado tunarua kidogo kutoka Uganda, kutoka Tanzania na kwingineko. Tunanunua mahindi na 4,000 shillings. Lakini vile vile tumeona in spite of the increase in the price to 4,000 shillings, farmers are still holding. Like now we are expecting a drought. So we must be ready as a country, whether even if there is a drought, do we have enough maize for our citizens? We would like to collect about 1.7 million bags. But right now we have only collected 186,000 bags. It means that somebody somewhere is keeping maize, anagojea asikie drought imeenda baya zaidi, ndio pengine bei iende hapo juu kidogo. After 1 month, if we don't have enough strategic reserves for the country, we will then move to the next stage, which is importing duty-free maize.